Let's learn English. My class, your class. Today's lesson, the seasons.
During the year, we can see 4 different seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn, or fall. Each season has something special. During the winter, the days are cold. Sometimes we have snow days. We need to wear gloves and scarves. Other times, the days are rainy. So, we need umbrella and raincoat. A hot drink is a good option these days. The second season I am going to talk about is colorful and beautiful. It's the spring. The days are warm, and we can see beautiful flowers everywhere. The gardens are full of butterflies and beautiful birds too. Summer is time for vacation plans. The days are hot. We love going to the beach. It's time to eat ice cream.
Yummy, yummy.
Wear sunglasses, use sunscreen, and keep hydrated. Autumn is my favorite season. I love the colors of this season. The leaves fall. The days are cool, preparing us for the winter. There are pumpkins everywhere. It's Halloween time. Each season has its own beauty. Which one is your favorite season?
Did you like this video? What about subscribing the channel?